Hello everyone. Once again I welcome you on my YouTube channel. Today's topic is under subscriptions. Students, what is the meaning of under subscriptions? Company issue a prospectus inviting public for a offering the shares. Sometimes public applied less than the number of shares offered. It means number of shares offered by public company are more, but public applied are less. That situation is called under subscription. So in case of a under subscription, how we to record the transactions? What are the number of applications we received from public? On that amount of the application we will calculate all the values and we will record all the transactions. Let me take one example. K Limited issued 10,000 shares of ₹100 each at a premium of 20%. Okay? So face value of a share is 100 and premium is 20%. Payment were to be made as follows on application 30, on allotment ₹60 including premium, on first and final call ₹30. So how many shares we offered in the public? 10,000 shares. But applications we are receiving in number of 9,500. It means we are receiving less number of the applications. So as per the SEBI guidelines, it must be equal to the 90%. So in the case of a minimum subscription, how many applications do we receive? That are 90%. It means less than 90% we receive the application, we can't allot the shares. So this is the questions. First and final call 30 applications, we are receiving 9,500 shares and all the calls were accepted and all the shares were allotted. We need to pass entry. So you know, very first entry we need to pass on receiving application. So first of all we are receiving application entry, you all know it, bank account debit to share application account. Bank account debit to share application account. And how much amount we are receiving on? So you can prepare a working out. Application money received. Application money. Okay. So number of shares are 9,500 and what is the application money per share? 30. So from 9,500 applications if we are receiving at the rate ₹30, then we will receive ₹2,85,000. So this amount we are receiving on application. So here we will write 2,85,000, 2,85,000. So here we are recording the transactions on the number of applications we received, not on the number of shares we offered to the public. So we are offering here 10,000, but we are receiving applications 9,500 only. So we are recording transactions on this number 9,500. Next entry, you know, on the date of allotment, we will transfer the application money to the share capital. Next entry is share application account debit to share capital account. So how much amount you are receiving on application? We need to transfer to share capital 2,85,000, 2,85,000. So this is the entry at the time of the allotment. On the date of allotment, you have to transfer. Same day, we will pass the entry for allotment money made due from the shareholders. So we pass the entry due first, then we will pass the entry for receipt of the amount on allotment. So we allotted the shares and issued the share at premium. So on allotment, how much amount we need? ₹60. So now I am preparing a working note here. So this is your working note number 2. Allotment, due and received. So here there is no case of any arrear. So how much we are making due, that we are receiving. So share capital. So you know, student, we receive application 9,500. Allotment is 60 including premium. What is the amount of premium? 20% of 100. So 20% of 100 is ₹20. So ₹60 include ₹20 premium. So what is your share capital? That is your ₹40. सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम रिजर्व, तो 9500 into 20, तो 9500 into 40, if you just multiply, the amount will be rupees 3,80,000. 9500 into 20, the amount will be 1,90,000. So what is the amount we made due on allotment? This is your allotment due or allotment money. So in question total allotment is 60. So 9500 into 60. You can sum it and you can multiply 9500 into 60. Then your sum total will be 5,70,000. Actually students, in case of a allotment, we have three accounts: allotment account, share capital account and securities premium account. So we have to calculate. So if you calculate in this way, share capital amount, securities premium amount, and this is your allotment amount. Is it okay? So you can calculate the values like this. So here we can write the entry: share allotment account debit to share capital to security premium. Securities premium or securities premium reserve you can write. So how much allotment money here we are making due? The allotment money made due are here rupees 5,70,000. So we to write 5,70,000. Value of share capital 3,80,000. So 3,80,000. Value of your securities premium 1,90,000. So 1,90,000. So this is the entry for allotment money made due, and same amount we received. Next entry for allotment money received on the date of receipt. If the dates are given, date of allotment money made due may be different and receipt date may be different. And if dates are not given, so you have to write in a chronological order one by one. So on receipt of allotment money, entry is bank account debit to share allotment account. So bank account debit to share allotment, how much money we will receive here? 5,70,000. 5,70,000. So this money we received on allotment. Next entry we to pass on making first call money due. So when we make the first call due, entry share first and final call account debit, because in this case first call itself is final call. So share first and final call account debit to share capital. So on the first call, so we can pass a working note here also. So this may be your next working note. First call due and received. So we are calling first call money from 9,500 shares, and first call money is what? 30. So 9,500 multiplied by 30. Then your amount will be the same as we calculated earlier, 2,85,000. 2,85,000. So this will be your entry. 2,85,000 amount here, 2,85,000 here, and last entry on the date of receipt of first call. When we receive the first call money, entry you all remember, bank account debit to share first and final call. So bank account debit to share first and final call. And how much amount we will receive? 2,85,000. So 2,85,000 and 2,85,000. In this way, you will record the transaction in case of a under subscriptions.